Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an NFC card to your Google Wallet. It's really easy and simple, but first you need to actually check if your card is actually compatible. Okay, so you need to also make sure that your phone has NFC enabled. So you just need to go to settings, then go to connected devices, and then click on NFC and turn it on. Okay, make sure that your Google Wallet app is also up to date. You can update this via the Play Store, and also that your card actually supports Google Wallet. And then all you need to do is go ahead and open up the Google Wallet app on your Android device, and then tap on the plus button. Okay, basically this is the add to wallet button. Then you just need to use your phone's camera to scan the card, or you can also enter the details manually and just follow the bank's verification process. This could involve a text or email confirmation. And then you need to choose your card type. Okay, you can go ahead and choose, for example, Transit Pass and select your public transit provider. You can follow the prompt to either transfer an existing card or set up a new one. So for NFC access or security badges, you can select ID or access card, if your workplace or building supports it, and then just go ahead and tap your NFC card against the back of your phone to scan it. And if you're actually required to do so, log into your company or organization's portal for verification. And then in the end, all you need to do is just go ahead and attest your NFC card, right? So just ensure that your Google Wallet is your default payment or access app. Just go to settings and then tap and pay. And then just try tapping your phone at a payment terminal, or you can even do this at a transit gate or door reader to see if it actually works. And if it doesn't work, just restart your phone and try again, and it should work. And if for some reason it's not working, just make sure you go to your settings, go to NFC, and make sure that it's toggled on. Okay, just toggle it back off and on, and it should work. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.